Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast, and thank you. So as we discussed earlier, I'm doing videos that I just enjoy doing now. I'm not chasing views. I would love to get views, but I'm not going to go out of my way or sell my soul to do it, except for this one. So for the first time on the podcast, I'm going to do a video about a product that I know absolutely nothing about. I want to do the YouTube thing just once. I just want to do it one time. And what we're talking about today is Stargaze, and I know nothing about it. I know effectively nothing about this product at all. I understand from my reading that they are going to be an NFT marketplace built over on Cosmos. So I went to their website, and this is it right here, Stargaze.zone. You can join the mailing list. There's no more buttons. There's nothing to push. You can join the mailing list. So that's what I know about it. I took a look at their tokenomics because I wanted to see how they were going to do what they say that they're going to do. And it's tokenomics. I mean, it shows up like you can see it same as me. So if you scroll down, it'll tell you everything. This is the distribution, the airdrops, the inflation factor, reduction factor, all that other good stuff. So everything's here if you wanna read into it. I didn't, because I again am doing the YouTube thing. I know nothing about this. I'm just gonna say that it's gonna go up, but. I went and took a look over on Juno because I'm sorry, not on Juno, on CoinGecko, because I wanted to see what is making this token go up so much. So you could have gotten it at a dime. That's earlier this year. You could have been getting it at 23 cents, and currently it's at 76 cents. I have no idea why it's going up. I can't even begin to explain why it's going up, but. In typical YouTube fashion, if something's going up, it's always going to go up. It's always been going up. It will continue to go up. And if it doesn't go up, it's because the market didn't do what it was supposed to do. Now, why am I even bothering showing you this? Well, there is one really, really nice thing that I happen to like about this token. Now, and again, look, you guys, I'm not an NFT guy. All right. We have a very popular chat channel on our Discord is the NFT. And I never make an appearance down there because I don't really get NFTs. I understand what they are. I understand how they work. But I'm not really a subjective type of investor. I'm an objective investor. And NFTs, I don't care, man. They're subjective. All right, it's whatever somebody's willing to give you for it. There's no fixed value. I wouldn't pay a lot of money for a Batman number 14 comic book either. Not because I don't believe that it's worth it. It's just it's not worth that to me. So I don't tend to make investments into things like that. Now, use case NFTs, big fan. Turn them into airline tickets. Turn them into movie tickets. Turn them into concert tickets. Turn them into medical records. Turn them into something that is just absolutely exploring the cutting edge of what an NFT can do and what it shouldn't do, and I'm all over it. But as far as like the cats and the zombies and stuff, that's not for me. But I am also a pragmatist, and I realize that it is for a lot of people. So just because I won't pay $20,000 for a Batman number 14 doesn't mean that there are not a massive pool of people that will do so. So if I can find a way to profit on that, all over it, babe. But here's what I can tell you about stars, aside from the fact that it's going up and I can't explain why, is that if you come over here to app.osmosis.zone and you take a look at pool number 604, that's this one right here, this is what I could tell you for an absolute fact, is that this particular one is paying out 152.29% if you pair it with Osmo. Now, what I really like about it is that the rewards for this are paid out in Osmo, which is a token that I dearly love. So I'm all over that one. And if they will give me 152.29% on my money, half stars, half Osmo, and they're going to pay me all out in Osmo, I'm all over that because it's 152.29%. Let me make sure that we're talking here. 152.29%. I get it. All right. For the naysayers and the people that just bash my videos to death, because they can't comprehend it, it means that nobody can comprehend it. Therefore, it's not real. Therefore, it's a rug pull. Therefore, you're just stupid. And most of these comments are coming from people who are down 40, 50, 60, 70% on their investments. So as much as I appreciate the critique, sir, I think I'm going to stick with my own math on this one. But that's not all. That's not all, folks. It is also an incentivized pool. So they are kicking out an additional 30 million stars that are going to be distributed on the epoch. And they're doing this for another 68 days. So not only do you get the Osmo, you also get some stars that are going to show up right over here in your assets. And just to make sure that it's all on the up and up, you guys can currently see my stars account that I have 0 in it. None. I have nothing. So during my videos now, going forward a little bit, I'm going to pull up the stars because this pays out every day. And we're going to see how many stars show up there. I'm not buying anymore. I'm just going to see how much is gifted to me. This is our experimentation with stars. And there we go. So again, I know nothing about the token. I know that they're building out an NFT marketplace. I know that it's going to be going up on Cosmos. Their website is very detailed. So everything you want to know, guys, it's right here. In fact, if you go through the FAQ, all they're talking about out here are the airdrops. I went over to them. Frequently asked questions. Airdrop. How can I earn yield? Staking, bonding. All of the stuff that we talk about here. That's what they talk about on their website. But they don't actually say how they're going to do what they're going to do. Now, I would love to get a Stars fan to pop on. Just pop on. You can catch us on the live stream, comment on the video. Tell me how stupid I am for not understanding it. All right, that's what I would like. For me right now, it's a pure math play, man. It is nothing but a math play. And if you will pay me 159% to invest into a token that is building out into a very popular space right now, that being NFTs, I don't care what it is, what it does, how it works, means nothing to me. What I do care about is 152.69% on my total investment plus the little stars rewards. And sometimes, guys, it's just about the math. This particular one, it is just about the math. I started with $465. That's what I put into it, and we will update it during the videos as we go forward to see if it was a good math play or not. Anyway, that's what I got for the Stars Osmo, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some takeaways. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or observations, Scott at ThePodocasts.com. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, and we will see you on the live stream tonight.